Fly the drone above 15 meters, then move the sticks and press the cruise button to enable cruise control. Tap crossmark in the app, or press the cruise button without touching the sticks. Make sure GPS signal is strong and the drone is within 50 meters before starting. Make sure there are no obstacles while using GPS follow. Fly around, set your flight path and let the drone follow it automatically. Make sure there are no obstacles while performing orbit flight. Tap to start route planning, then use the right stick to control how far, fast, and which direction the drone orbits. Make sure there are no obstacles while executing the planned route. Tap to vertical screen. Press the switch button to turn the screen vertical. Tap crossmark to go back to horizontal shooting.